guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be more of a chit chatty video, which I haven't done in a very long time now. Like, I think my last video was what is blogging. By the title of the video you definitely know what I am going to talk about. Before we start with the video, why don't you guys get yourself a cup of coffee, because that's what I have done, and I have my cup of coffee with me. So why don't you guys just get yourself some coffee or tea or cold drink or Red Bull, whatever you guys prefer, and just get into the gist of this video, because this is something we all do, and it's something I really wanted to talk about from a very long time. I know there are really very less articles about this, but you know, somewhere deep down we all do this, and we really need to stop doing that. So so in a world full of social media, we are definitely surrounded by thousands and millions of inspirational people, successful people, and we regularly go through on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and we go through all of these profiles, and we look at their happy pictures, we look at how perfect they are, and instantly start comparing our lives to them, to their lives, and it's personally something I have been doing it. I am not even lying. I have been doing this for the longest time. If I'm like scrolling through my Instagram, and if the light has got a bit bright, don't be surprised. It's because the sun is really acting crazy today. But I'm just now I think it's mild right now. Anyways, we often really do this thing. We look at somebody's profile, we look at somebody's accomplishments, achievements, but do we really know their struggles? We don't know what problems they are facing in their lives, and instantly we just compare our lives to them, and just say this in a very I don't know, in just a normal manner, like what if I was her, or what if I had her life, or I hate my life or stuff like that, because I have done that. Honestly, trust me, I've been doing that, and even there are days till date I do like that, and I do this thing. It's human nature. Whenever I go through their profiles and I see, oh, what a perfect love life they have, or what a perfect body they have, or what a perfect makeup she can do. Or even if I get more realistic in my blogging career and in my YouTube thing, oh, she has more subscribers than me, or her makeup is on fleek, or she has a lot more money, that is why she can get that Gucci bag or Louis Vuitton bag or whatever that is. I have been doing that, and I have been comparing my life to everybody's life, and it took me a very long time to realize that I have been doing this and been not appreciating what I have. But life is really not perfect for anybody and everybody. Everyone has their own. Uh, Everyone has their own problems, everyone has their own kind of problems they deal in their life, which we don't know about, and we instantly just start comparing our lives to everybody's life, and we the reason the thing is, we have so many insecurities in ourselves that all of these insecurities led us to compare our behind the scenes to somebody's highlights. Like, you're sitting there doing nothing, but you might be thinking, oh, she has so many followers on YouTube, or so many followers on Instagram. But do you really know what I go through every single day, or how hard I have to work to get through that, or to get through you guys, or to get through anything and everything? No. So that is the thing, it's actually our insecurities which led us to compare our lives, which is so wrong. Unfortunately, especially being on social media, everything is just so quick. You know, like you could be happy when you wake up, and the minute you open your Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and you will be like sad in minutes, because that is what social media does. You have a very, you get up with a happy feeling, like, you know, like one of those days when you're like ready to conquer the world and stuff like that. The next minute you see that somebody, or some of your friends, got that bag which you wanted, or got that watch which you wanted, or is engaged, or is married, or is pregnant. I mean, I'm just giving options, but you know, and that minute itself, you know, it could be anything. Or maybe you failed in some subjects, and all of your friends have passed with, like, you know, amazing grades, and you are just going to sit there being sad and not being confident enough. You know, that's what social media does. But honestly, the truth is that social media gives us the power to actually showcase the best aspects of our life. You don't see the behind the scenes. Even this video, where I am literally recording a raw video, you're going to watch an edited version of this video. I might have made so many mistakes in this video, but all you can see is the perfect edited part on my YouTube channel, and that's what I'm trying to prove it to you guys, that you know, we really need to stop comparing our lives to everybody. We could rather focus on ourselves. I know that life really gets tough sometimes, and you know, you just have one of those days that, you know, why have been given this life, and all sorts of, you know, stupid and crazy things we keep on asking ourselves. But we all do have a purpose, and that's what we are given this life for. We need to find out that purpose, and instead of trying that, instead of finding that purpose, we are just sitting here and comparing our lives to somebody else's life. And especially on social media, I'll tell you this incident which happened. I saw this beautiful picture of a couple on Instagram. I am not going to name them for all personal sorts of reasons, but obviously even they are YouTubers, and I saw this amazing picture of them, and I for a minute I was like, you know, why can't I have such pictures? Why can't I and my boyfriend click such pictures, and like, look how pretty they are, how happy they are, and everything is so perfect in their life. And at that very moment, I was just thinking about them, and everything was only about them. And the next time I was like, you know, next time I meet my boyfriend, I need to click such pictures. And that's the moment when I realized that, you know, I am literally comparing my so amazing love life to somebody else's love life. I don't even know if they are acting fake in the picture. I mean, I am blessed to have somebody who actually loves me and stuff like that. I don't even know if that picture is fake or real. And I just started comparing my life with them, which was an eye opener. And from that very moment, I literally stopped doing that. It was difficult, it really gets difficult. It's more like a feeling of lack, the lack of dissatisfaction we feel while we are scrolling through all those amazing things our friends are going through, and those idealized perfect couple pictures which we have. Guys, do you even know if they are happy in real? I mean, let's get real. No, we don't. We always don't know the reality behind pictures, the reality behind social media. Social media has the power to show us what the person wants to make us show. Like, you never know, somebody is uploading a happy picture, but on the other hand, actually crying, and you don't know this, which is weird, but it's for real. I have done that. I have put up pictures of being happy and stuff like that, whereas I have been going through the shittiest days of my life. I have done that, and my life is not perfect. I'll tell you, I meet so many people, and so many of you guys as well, and you guys tell me that your life is so perfect, and uh, your whatever, so you have so much of makeup, and like your life is sorted, and this that. Nobody knows what I'm going through, and I am not crying here or waiting for your guys. I don't want your sympathy or anything like that, but you guys don't know what I'm going through, what problems I'm going through. uh, I'm literally sitting here having my so many deadlines on. There's a lot of things which are going wrong in my life, and none of it you see on your social media. Do you see stuff like that on my social media? No, because I have not given the power of negativity, for negativity, or for negative thoughts, or for bad things on my social media. I have never given the power of bad things to show up on my social media. That's the reason why you always see happiness and positivity in my feed or on my channel. Is like I choose, and everybody in general chooses to show their highlighted happy parts of their lives, which people really need to understand. People are only showing their happy parts. You don't really know what is going behind the scenes or what is going on in their life at present. It's better to actually focus on yourself rather than comparing your life to somebody else's life, because you don't know their battles, you don't know their problems, you don't know anything about them. It could be any random person you're comparing your life with. And do you even realize your self-worth at that very moment when you do that? I mean, for real, do you even realize your self-worth, or do you realize it, that how unhappy your soul would be when you're doing all these things? Work for yourself, and that's what I've been doing it. I have been, for the past 6 months, uh, it's not been easy for me. For the past 6 months, my life has been going a bit, it's been a puzzled way. Like, the 2 days I'm happy and 2 days I'm not happy, and stuff like that. But I won't say that I don't love my life, because I definitely do. And it would be easy for you to judge on the other side of the screen and say, oh yeah, obviously you have to love your life because you're getting so much of makeup, or you're getting so much of things, you have a good family. I am blessed, and I am filled with gratitude to have all of these things, but I work hard for that. I have not given up on things. I have not given up on my relationships. I have not given up on my blog or my YouTube career. Um, even I have days when I feel like I don't want to do anything. I don't want to adult today, but I have overcome those things and still did things, and maybe that's the reason where why I'm here today. And even you guys could do that. It's not difficult. One of the bestest things is to focus on yourself, and stop comparing. I mean, it's just a very negative word for your soul, for your mind, for your inner peace. It's just a negative word. Stop comparing your life. You might be going through the baddest times in your life, but don't give up and don't compare. Like, just don't compare. And with all that being said, social media comparisons are addictive. Like, they are very addictive. It makes you feel sad for the things you don't have, but try to focus on the things you have which others don't. And with that being said, I think I am going to stop my video here. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all sorts of videos. And if you don't like my face, don't watch it. I am no longer going to support any sort of negativity. I hope the very best for you guys, and I hope this video really helped you guys in at least some form of inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and mostly most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.